Hello and welcome to Ferrari durability test number 1. You know, Ferrari ownership isn't so bad. I've been really having a lot of fun with this thing. I don't know what everybody was talking about, all the legal papers and lawsuits I would get from, having fun with it, but man, I love this car. It's just so fun. If you don't like the way I'm treating my Ferrari, you can treat your Ferrari extra nice. Get it? Because they don't have it for it. Yeah. The mirrors are ugly. That's the worst looking part of the car. How should we remove it?
You could use a Sawzall.
A Sawzall?
Yeah.
I think I have one.
No, not in there. I doubt it.
I got this.
What? Wait, is that a TV? Oh. Yeah, there it is. Aren't those like 10 grand? That's fine, right? Yes, sir. Very good. That's good. Fill that up.
One really handy thing about the Ferrari is that you have this feed trough. So that's nice.
This is a good farming vehicle.
There we go. Let's go down here to this water and think there's something cool over this hill.
Wait, what? Wait, no, Cody, no! What do you got there?
Oh, just some bait. Lemons.
What?
Some limes.
Fish are not gonna bite on lemons and limes.
I got these.
Cody, that's just another lemon.
Dude, get off my line. Get off my fishing line.
Sorry. Oh my God! I'm not.
Just here to grab some food, but not for me. Look at this guy's truck. We both got red trucks. Okay. Put these in here.
What the heck?
The duck is like good friends with them.
Just keep it coming. That's good. That's good. That's fine. Whatever.
We are going to be having some fun with capybaras, and they're going to get to enjoy a lovely ride in the Ferrari.
We want them to get in there in the AC and chill out.
Have a watermelon. Oh, God. We're in a road rage, aren't we? You like animals?
Yeah, I'd say so.
You name 5 animals then.
Name every animal right now.
Dog.
Cat. Ooh. Brown dog.
There.
No, they can't eat fruit.
Oh, I see them eating a gazelle.
We have to feed them live animals.
Keller, go, like feed them or something. Keller. I didn't mean feed them Keller. I meant feed them Keller.
No, in the pond.
You broke it.
Dude, look that way.
These are just freaking out right now. Dude,
The pond is
Good.